Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will be continuing with the styles group and how to create a table. Creating a table is as easy as selecting anywhere within your data table range. Do take note that all the data needs to be adjacent to each other. If you have blank columns or rows within your data table, it is recommended that those be removed. After selecting anywhere in your data table range, simply select Format as Table from the Home tab. Then just simply select whichever color scheme you would like. You can also create a new table style, which will be explained in more detail in upcoming videos. There are two other ways that you can create tables. Firstly, from the Insert tab, selecting the Table command, or pressing Ctrl-T shortcut on your keyboard. Both of these methods bring up a dialog box which confirms the data range of your table, as well as a checkbox to confirm if your table has headers. Clicking OK on this dialog box will apply a default color scheme. I trust you find this video useful, and remember to like and subscribe.